Hey, hello and welcome to this video. Today we will be exploring what is FreeCodeCamp. If you go to Google and you search FreeCodeCamp, you can see login, Python, certificate, review, Medium, GitHub, Java, Reddit. And there's over 2 million results and it took about 0.4 seconds. So this is the main website, .org, and we have Twitter, we have YouTube, and a few other links at the bottom. So this is Twitter. This is FreeCodeCamp.org on Twitter. They have 13.5k tweets, 142 people that they're following, and they have 104,000 followers, as well as 79.1k likes, and I can follow them if I want to. Quincy is the founder, and so they post all the time. This is like 4 minutes ago. So yeah, Gatsby is kind of cool. I love talking about Gatsby recently. So this is FreeCodeCamp. This is all the videos, and if you look at it, they have 56k followers, subscribers I mean, and 2 hours ago they published this. Everyone is a developer and what have you. So pretty cool. This is FreeCodeCamp's GitHub account. Yes, got it. And they are non-profit, programming, Node.js, React, D3, sorry. Careers, education, teachers, JavaScript, certification, curriculum, math, and community. This is basically learning to code. They have lots of commits, 5 branches, 0 releases, 2,000 plus contributors, and they are using the BSD license. So you can read more about it on GitHub. This is their GitHub address. You can also contribute. If you find a bug, you can go tell them they found a bug or you found a security issue. You can contribute. You can help them with the license. I mean, you can read the license that they're using, which is the BSD license, and certifications. So this is basically an introduction to the course, which I'm going to do another video about. I'm going to just fly through this for now. But I'll come back to this in another video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. This is FreeCodeCamp on Wikipedia. Very cool. You should read all about it. I've been part of FreeCodeCamp's community for about 2 to 3 years now, and this is a wonderful free non-profit, not-for-profit organization. They have about 350k unique visitors per month from and the students are from 106 countries. According to Alexa, it is the rank is 2,850 globally, around 1,650 in the US. Monthly traffic, and all the other details you can look at the references on Wikipedia, as well as external links. Very cool. And this is their LinkedIn page. They are a school, not a business, and you can follow them as I am following them, and I'm also an alumni. So if you click on this, you might see me. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So close this. So these are insights on where people live, mostly in US, some in India, a bunch in UK and Canada, where I am at. Let's just review more. And then there's New York City, Brazil, San Francisco, Bay Area, Nigeria, lots of people in Nigeria, Ukraine, Spain, Poland, London, UK,
India, France, New Delhi, India as well. Where they work, a bunch of them work at Upwork. Some of them work at FreeCodeCamp, IBM, a lot of freelance people, some Amazon, some in Microsoft, Fiverr, Udacity, Google, etc. And what they do, they mostly do engineering, information technology, like IT, business development, education, operations, art and design, media and communications, sales, marketing, support, research, administrative, program and project management, community and social causes, as well as consulting. And here I am. You can see I'm here. I'm one of the and these are all the first degree connections, second degree connections, etc, etc. So this is an overview video about FreeCodeCamp, and coming soon I will dig in the next video. I'm going to dig into what I've done with FreeCodeCamp myself. This is my I'll kind of walk you through the steps, and we'll start coding very soon. Thanks, take care, bye now.